Looking for the best folding exercise bikes for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 folding exercise bikes that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a folding exercise bikes that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended folding exercise bikes. Number 1 on the list is Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike. We picked Amazon's best-selling Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike as our editor's choice because of its space-saving design and high weight capacity. It holds weight of up to 300 pounds and reduces its size to 22 by 20 by 55.5 inches in storage. The folding exercise bicycle includes an LCD display measuring 3.3 by 1.5 inches for a clear view of your speed, time, distance, calories burned, pulse, and scan readouts. Exerpeutic Folding Exercise Bike features a 3-piece high-torque crank system and a double-drive transmission system for powerful and seamless pedaling movement. You can expect a quiet session facilitated by a V-belt drive and a flywheel with precise balance. A magnetic tension control system lets users adjust to 8 different levels of resistance for customized workouts, while extended leg stabilizers prevent the bike from tipping during exercise. We like the large seat and pedals with protective straps to prevent your foot from slipping. It is the ideal folding exercise bike for short persons of 5 feet 3 inches, and you can adjust it to fit users of up to 6 feet 1 inch in height. This model is sturdy yet small enough for limited spaces, and the 2 front wheels make it easy to move the bike around. It comes with AAA batteries so owners can track their workout stats on the sizable screen. Remember to activate the display module when setting up this bike. For the downsides, the pedals made from pre-molded plastic feel cheap and you cannot replace the seat with a standard one. Second on the list is Exerpeutic Gold 525 XLR. Exerpeutic is an established company that is well known for manufacturing affordable and high-quality exercise bikes, treadmills, ellipticals, and inversion tables since 2007. It makes the best folding recumbent exercise bikes such as Exerpeutic Gold 525 XLR for cardio training. This model is available in a semi-recumbent design that is convenient for getting on or off the bike. It is equipped to handle maximum weight of 400 pounds. This is achieved with a durable heavy-duty steel frame with 27% more steel than its predecessor. The extra-large seat adjusts to accommodate users of height ranging from 5'2" to 6'5". Buyers like the high weight limit, large pedals with anti-slip straps, and the dual transmission flywheel that increases the resistance capacity for an aggressive workout, and the smooth motion of the high-torque 3-piece cranking mechanism. Users monitor their personal stats on a legible LCD screen. The information displayed includes distance, speed, time, odometer, pulse rate, scan setting to track your target, and the distance you have cycled. The product saves your statistics so you can pause and resume exercise without losing them. To reset them, press down the mode button for a couple of seconds. Exerpeutic Gold 525 XLR offers a limited warranty coverage similar to that of Stamina recumbent exercise bike of 1 year for the frame and 90 days for other components. Buyers also receive the required 2 AA batteries and a user manual which advises against pedaling the bike in reverse. You may have to add a cushion to make the seat comfortable. Number 3 on the list is ProGear 225. ProGear 225 provides probably the best value for money with its budget-friendly pricing, quality materials, and a magnetic tension control system that is adjustable to 8 levels of resistance. There's also a convenient LCD readout that displays useful information on speed, time, distance covered, and the calories you have burned. It also features a heart pulse sensors to keep track of your heart rate and a dual transmission flywheel for greater resistance. Dual transmission flywheel allows for higher resistance workout. The folding exercise bike fits a short person of 5 feet 1 inches and tall 6 feet users when you adjust the ergonomic contoured seat. the new version has been upgraded with adjustable leg stabilizers, a large pedal design with anti-slip safety strap, and a 3-piece crank system and V-belt drive for smooth pedaling and quiet operation. It reduces size from 32 by 17.5 by 46 inches when assembled to 19 by 17.5 by 53 inches when folded to minimize footprint for storage. ProGear 225 comes with 2 AAA batteries and an accessory holder. The tension knob is easy to adjust and the instructions are clear with all assembling tools included. Unfortunately, some of the handlebars rattle because the bolts loosen up. Number 4 on the list is Stamina Recumbent Exercise Bike. Build your stamina at home with Stamina Recumbent Exercise Bike, which makes one of the best folding recumbent exercise bikes. It features padded rotating handles that provide a comfortable grip to alleviate wrist strain, an easily accessible tension resistance dial for the upper body, and magnetic resistance programmable to 8 different levels for the lower body. There are stationary side handles to stabilize the bike when working out your lower body. To customize upper body exercises, this bicycle with a foldable frame includes an adjustable lever activated with the right foot to tilt the pedals and a knob to set the height of the seat to your preference. The seat and backrest are padded for optimal comfort. The arm exercisers offer more options since you don't have to use it with an elliptical. A multifunctional electronic panel displays the calories burned, workout duration and the distance, to get rid of the sound made by the hand tension. The manufacturer advises users to turn the dial to the maximum and leave it for a couple of days to stretch the band. Stamina Recumbent Exercise Bike comes with 1-year limited coverage for the frame and 90-day limited warranty on parts. It holds weight of up to 250 pounds. This exercise bike works well when riding forwards, but you may need rear stabilizers if riding it on a carpeted floor. Also, you cannot adjust the incline. Number 5 on the list is Sunny Health Fitness SF B2721. Sunny Health Fitness SF B2721 is among the most comfortable folding recumbent exercise bicycles. It comes with an extra-large padded seat and backrest, stable foam-coated padded handles for a firm grip, a bottle holder positioned behind the seat to keep you hydrated during your workout, and a tablet holder so you can keep up with your work while you exercise. A well-cushioned seat improves blood circulation to your limbs and eases pressure points on your tailbone. You can flip the handles of this seat up and back to keep them out of the way or to increasing seating space if you have wider hips. This upright bike utilizes belt drive mechanism and a 3.3-pound flywheel adjusts to 10 levels of magnetic resistance. Although it is lightweight at 38.5 pounds when assembled, it is equipped to support weight of up to 300 pounds. Foldable handlebars lets users mount and dismount the bike easily, and the seat adjusts upwards or downwards to accommodate individuals of different sizes. You can monitor your workout progress in terms of time, speed, distance, odometer, calories, and pulse rate on the digital LCD monitor. Scan mode helps you track your fitness objectives so you can adjust the level of intensity, if need be. Along with the Sunny Health Fitness SF B2721 exercise bike, buyers also receive the required hardware tools, a user manual and 2 AA batteries. This is a versatile folding recumbent exercise bicycle that can also be used in an upright position by turning a dial. Some users note that the calorie counter is inaccurate. The water bottle holder could also be in a more accessible position. Just now is a list of 5 best folding exercise bikes that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.